Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on AMP token. As in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you that AMP token has formed a very big falling wedge pattern. And after breaking out that wedge, we can expect a very massive pump. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that AMP token has finally broken out this multi-year base resistance of this very huge falling wedge pattern. And after that, we had a very powerful pump. And from this low, to the current high, you can see that it has rallied more than 1631%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 2.5 cents that had been previously working as a support here for a few weeks, and now it is again it is working as a resistance. After the breakdown, you can see it is flipped into a very strong resistance, and after this recent rejection, the price line has broken down this very long-term support of $0.0079, approximately at $0.008 that was previously working as a support here and resistance here, and now it can again work as a resistance. In fact, it is working as a resistance. You can see that for several weeks the price line has been struggling to break it out once again, but could not break it out, and now it is getting accumulated above this long-term support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. At the same time, on a daily time frame chart, it has formed another falling wedge pattern, and this is on a daily time frame chart, and now you can see that the movement is quite squeezed, and now it can soon break this pattern as well. And in today's video we will analyze this move, but before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let's begin with my most recent trade signal for AMP token that I shared, by the way, on 26th of January 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse guarded pattern that AMP token formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that AMP token started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone, and this was almost 610%. Very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the link to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of AMP token. And this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several days, the price line is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Here we had a fake out, but the price line recovered back very soon, and we entered the same falling wedge pattern. And after testing the support here, geared up, got rejected by the resistance, and now again it is trying to break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. By the way, the movement is quite squeezed, therefore at any time it can break this pattern. For example, if the price line breaks down the support of this falling wedge pattern, then target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $0.0032. And in that situation, we can also break down this long-term support of $0.0045 as well. And in case of breaking out, by the way, this is the bullish path pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout. And the target for the breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 1.5 cents. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that AMP token has already broken out this very big and huge multi-year space resistance of a falling wedge pattern. And during this rally, we have also broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now this cloud can also work as a support. For example, if the price line will be moved more down while moving inside this wedge, or if it breaks down this wedge, then this Ichimoku bearish cloud can work as a very long-term support. However, we also have this quite long-term support inside this cloud that is at $0.0045 that had been previously working as support here and support here, and for several weeks it has been working as a resistance here as well. You can see that we also have a quite long-term support of EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart, this red line, that is also working as a very nice support. Previously it has been working as a very long-term resistance, and now it is flipped into a support after the breakout. Now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this very massive resistance of this falling wedge pattern, that breakout target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.